While it may not be the sexiest tool in your culinary drawer, the meat thermometer is an important one. The little kitchen gadget can be the difference between a perfectly cooked steak and, well, an upset stomach. But we digress. Let's focus on the beauty of summertime grilling season and the many memorable meals to come. And with the right meat thermometer on your team, you're virtually guaranteed a great experience each and every time you fire up the Barbie. There are many products available to choose the best meat thermometers, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best meat thermometers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Meter Plus Wireless Meat Digital Thermometer. We've tested more than a dozen digital thermometers, and Meter's best-selling option came out on top for its durable design, easy-to-use interface that does its job quickly. Plus, you don't normally classify a meat thermometer as cool, but that's exactly what Meter is. This has a range of 165 feet, no wires, and a pair of reliable sensors. You can monitor your meal by way of your mobile device, and the app will even crunch the numbers for you and determine ideal cooking times. The probe itself is eye-catching, and the wooden case is a nice touch. The app is worth mentioning again, as it can help you organize multiple dishes and give you alerts if you have your hands full. That makes it ideal for guys who love to multitask in the kitchen. Made of heat-resistant ceramic and stainless steel, this tool can puncture even the toughest of meats and will last a long, long time. Number 2. Thermopro Twin TempSpike Wireless Meat Thermometer. Bluetooth-enabled with an impressive range of 500 feet, the TempSpike is a classy meat thermometer indeed. It's hard to imagine getting a more comprehensive read on your protein, as the thing comes with a pair of probes and sensors. With 0 wires, we especially like it when cooking with more involved equipment, like rotisseries and spits. The app is a nice blend of customization for individual cooking styles, recipes, and pertinent info like USDA meat temperatures, though we did find the app was a bit more complicated to use than the meter. There's hardly such thing as too much data, and the fact that the thermometer offers both ambient cooking temp and meat temp is a great bonus. Number 3. PT12 Javelin Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer. People sort of geek out over this top meat thermometer, if you can believe that. That's largely because, unlike many less expensive thermometers, the Javelin fires back a reading in just a few seconds. So you spend less time waiting to see if your food is done and more time doing something far more fun. Based on our research, it's one of the best under $30 and most popular instant read meat thermometers on the market. Bonus points for the color flare and fold-out probe. We also like the sleek and modern design. This could double as a small piece of IKEA furniture, and we're cool with that. Number 4. BT 600 iChef. Tech-loving chefs will want to get their hands on the Bluetooth Maverick BT 600. It's the perfect meat thermometer for multitasking, especially if you're busy outside the kitchen. You can monitor your food from up to 300 feet away. It provides a precise temperature display with 2 waterproof probes, meaning you can measure 2 pieces at once. This is the one to have for the chef who likes to make multi-course meals with a variety of proteins and temperature-sensitive ingredients. It even comes with grill clips and a stand, so you can place it just about anywhere. Number 5. Instant Read Digital Thermometer. When you live in a small apartment with an even smaller kitchen, there is nothing worse than junking up your drawers with kitchen tools you will only use sometimes. This char-broil meat thermometer is the best for small cooking spaces. With a fold-up design, it can fit just about anywhere. That makes it great for packing to the campsite or tailgater, too. Plus, it's super easy to read with an audible temperature alarm and the ability to read 7 different meat types. It's like having a little magic wand you can wave around with confidence every time you cook. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.